Want an affordable way to stay in tune with your little one, day and night? Introducing the VM312 Safe&Sound video and audio baby monitor from Vtech. A great way to get both video and audio features without breaking the budget. The color LCD screen lets you see what your little one is up to with full motion video, while secure audio lets you hear every giggle and sigh without worrying about interference. Automatic night vision allows you to see your child even in the dark, and with the two-way talkback intercom, you can soothe your child from any room. As a power-saving option, you can choose to keep the LCD screen turned off and monitor in audio-only mode. Hear something while using audio-only mode and want to see what it was? A sound activation feature beeps when there's a noise and automatically resumes video playback, allowing you to take a look. This system can expand to 4 total cameras, so you can add more as your family grows. The VM312 even lets you choose how to monitor, using single view for 1 camera at a time, or patrol mode, which cycles through each camera every 7 seconds. Plus, with its compact size and easily adjustable camera lens, the VM312 is a great fit on a wall or dresser. The Vtech VM312 Safe&Sound video and audio baby monitor, an affordable way to stay close to the most important rooms in your home, day or night.